Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we set notification ringtone in our Poco phone. And so you want to set guys your notification ringtone in your Poco phone, so how can you set guys your notification ringtone? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video, can first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we set notification ringtone. So when first of all guys we will on our phone setting to set notification ringtone, and guys scroll it. As you can see this type of setting in your Poco phone, so can click on guys your sound and vibration setting guys. Can click on guys your notification ringtone setting guys, and guys click on this more setting. As you can see guys your Poco phone notification ringtone guys, which ringtone guys you like guys you can set from here guys. There are many ringtones. So we will example होगा we will click on this fade in. And guys come back again. Then come back guys, you can see guys your notification ringtone will set into fade in, and you can use guys your notification ringtone setting guys like that. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys. Thanks for watching the video.